everyone, and welcome back to Beverly's Design Time. Today I'm going to announce that I'm going to start a series called Simple Saturdays and Simple Sundays. That means that I'll have a really beautiful but simple DIY that I will upload on Saturday or Sunday depending on my schedule. Also, I've been receiving messages saying that you guys are not getting notifications from YouTube about my upload, so you guys need to go in and check your settings. Also check your junk mail to make sure it's not in your junk mail. If it is, then just set it up to where it'll come to your regular inbox. I can't tell you how to do that because each email server is different, so the settings are different, so you will have to figure that one out. Also, you can go into your YouTube and check and make sure that everything is set up properly. And I'm saying this because I'm going to be doing a whole lot more giveaways now that I have more time. I'm going to upload more videos, and I don't want you guys, especially my die-hard subscribers, to miss out on any of my upcoming giveaways. And I plan on giving away some really great ones soon, so guys, make sure that you do that. Also, I'm going to set some dates that I'll start uploading videos too. So right now it'll be Simple Saturday or Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday or Friday. Those would be bonus videos. So if I have a bonus video, I'll announce it in my Wednesday upload, so you guys will know exactly when to come back to my channel and check out my new upload. So again, it'll be Simple Saturday or Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday or Friday. Those will be the bonus videos. So yeah, you guys take notice of that, and let's get this DIY started. All right, to start this DIY, we're going to need 2 of the Dollar Tree candle holders and this really cute cracked vase from Dollar Tree as well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is glue these 3 pieces together, and I'll be using the Gorilla Epoxy. This one holds up really well after about 30 minutes. This one makes the projects go really fast, and it gives a really strong hold. All right, so the first thing I want to do is to cut these tags off. And so now I'm just going to give these a really good cleaning, and then I'll come back and glue these together. All right, guys, so let's get this party started. All right, the first thing I want to do is get some of the epoxy glue. I'm just going to use one of these labels. Okay, so now let's just take the 2 candle holders, and this is going to be the one on the bottom. This is going to be on top like this, and glue these together. Put this on top. Let's just add some on the bottom as well. Okay, now the highest part of this candle holder is towards the center, right where it opens. So I'm going to make sure that I have glue on both pieces right there. And when putting these pieces together, sometimes you have to turn it until you get the right connection. Finally, we got it. So you guys are going to have to work this around and twist it around until you get an even fit. So I'm going to let this sit and dry for about 10 minutes. Then I'll come back and we're going to add this on top. Okay guys, so I'm happy with the level. So now I want to go ahead and add this on top. And to do that, I'm going to mix more epoxy. Okay, so now that the epoxy is mixed, let's just go ahead and add some right on the edge. No need to add the glue here because it actually sinks down in the middle some. So you want to put glue where the piece makes contact with the other piece. And I'm being generous with the glue. So what are you guys up to? Anyone has plans for the summer? Family reunions or vacations? What are you doing this summer? Okay guys, so now let's just put it right in the center. So if you have a leveler, this is really where it comes in handy. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree also. You just want to check and see if you need to move it or not. And you actually don't have to put it on there. Okay, so that's pretty good. So I'm going to let this sit for 30 minutes, come back and go on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. And as you can see, my 3 pieces have become one. Look at that. I really love that Gorilla Glue. It's really good. Alright, so like I said before, this is going to be a simple but very beautiful piece. So now I'm going to take some of my Dollar Tree beads. And I have a pack already open. And when you get them, they'll come with this little connector. Just take it loose from the connector. And what I want to do first is just add some beads right inside here. So I'm going to take my glue gun, hot glue right inside. Now guys, this would be gorgeous for a wedding or any type of event if you're trying to do it on a budget. Now you can do these 3 pieces for $3. You can add some more, and I'll show you how you can add some other things to this. Let's see where I need to cut this. And let's put more glue in. I'm just going to use these scissors to push them in place. Alright, just like that. So like I said, I'm going to keep this simple. So I'm going to add some beads right around where these 2 candle holders meet. Let's determine where the back is. Maybe this would be the back. Let's see, where did I end it? Yeah. So just add some hot glue or some type of other glue and just glue the beads on. Come all the way around and figure out where you need to make your cut. And you're done. So to do something like this, you would spend $1, $2, $3, $4. Now you would get 8 strands of beads from Dollar Tree for $1, but 4 of them would be gold and 4 would be silver. But yeah, that's really a big money saver. So I'm going to show you a few ways to decorate your beautiful candle holder.